Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kraken Wallet on Android mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded Kraken app. Then open the app. Here, click on Sign In option. Now you'll have to enter your email address or username associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can click on Reset Password or Recover Username links respectively. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create an Account option. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Kraken Wallet on Android mobile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.